Today I'm making one of my favorite and maybe easiest sides, cilantro lime rice. Come check this one out. To get started, I made roughly 3 cups of jasmine rice in my instant rice cooker to speed this one up, but you can certainly boil all the rice on your induction top or your Traeger Timberline. With my rice boiled and ready, I added 2 tablespoons of salted butter to the hot rice and then folded it in to get a nice even coat. Next, I cut a whole lime in half and then squeezed that first half evenly into the rice before eventually squeezing in that second half. Feel free to use as much lime as you'd like, but I was really going for a strong lime taste on this one, so that's why I used the entire lime. Something else I've done for this recipe as well is I've grabbed a zester, and you can get some of that peel zested right in with that squeezed lime juice. That'll really elevate this to an even crazier lime taste, and that may be what you're looking for. So with all that lime incorporated, I again folded over the rice to mix in all that delicious lime juice. Next, I pulled off a couple sprigs of cilantro and gave it a fine chop with my custom Messermeister Oliva chef's knife. After I was done with my fine chop, I scooped up the cilantro, threw it into the rice, and then folded it in to incorporate everything as evenly as I could. As I keep saying over and over again, I'm working to fold this rice as opposed to stirring it. This helps to not break the rice up and also get a nice even coating of our ingredients. Lastly, I'm ready to season to taste with some of my Rock's Anytime seasoning. I like this seasoning as it's a great all-purpose rub, giving off some great salt, pepper, garlic flavor, with a few other herbs and spices mixed in. With this last ingredient incorporated, I go ahead and give it a final few folds, making sure that I've got a nice even coat across all of the rice. As you can see here, everything is ready to go, so I dive in for that delicious first bite. The flavor just pops. It is so delicious, and I know your family will enjoy this side dish, and it's super easy one to create. Hey, you, are you still here? Well, I really appreciate it if you are, so hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notified as soon as all this great content comes out.